Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillah, alhamdulillah, salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. പിള്ളേർ നമ്മുടെ ജോമെട്രിക്കൽ ഒപ്റ്റിക്സ് പാഠത്തിൽ ரிஃப்ளெக்ஷன் இதெல்லாம் கவர் பண்ணிட்டீங்க. இப்போ உங்களோட அந்த கடைசி செக்ஷனில் பேலன்ஸாக இருக்கக்கூடிய சில பகுதிகள் தான் இருக்குது, சில செக்ஷன்ஸ் தான் இருக்குது. சரி, in these sections I think you will have drawn the ray diagrams for convex lens, right? I ask you to draw 4 ray diagrams for 4 positions of the object, right, and try to find where the image has been taken, right? Since you may have some doubts in this section, right, I'll just draw them as well, right? Your third ray diagram, this is F, this is 2F, the same length F, same length 2F, right? Then the object is in third ray diagram, then object in 2F. If you keep the object in the 2F, what is going to happen? The ray which is going parallel to the principal axis goes through the focus, right? Very careful when you are drawing the ray, there should be a line, at the same time there should be an arrow, right? Arrow always show that the ray is going in which direction, right? Therefore this arrow is very important, right? The second ray, I will select the ray which is going through the focus, right? It's going to go parallel to the principal axis, right? If you look at this, if is somewhere here, then the image will be formed. This is object, the image will be formed, right, in the 2F as well, the same 2F, right? The characters of the image: first character vertically but inverted, the second character size same in size, the third character but size where place obtained in 2F, right? The type of the image, the real rays, by the real rays the image has been taken, therefore real image, right? The fourth ray diagram, when the object in between F and 2F, F, 2F, F, 2F. If you keep the object somewhere here, the ray which is going parallel to the principal axis goes through the focus. The ray which is going through the focus, right, will goes parallel to the principal axis. The image is going to be formed at that place. Object, image. The character of the image: vertically inverted, the size enlarged, diminished means small in the size, enlarged means it has been enlarged, right? The third character where beyond 2F, the fourth character, the type is a real image, that is the fourth ray diagram. Okay, If you want to draw, you can pause the video and you can continue drawing. Right? I'll continue my section continuously. Right? Fifth, when the object in F to F, length should be equal F to F. When the object is in F, the ray which is going parallel to the principal axis goes through the focus. But since the second ray diagram, in that ray diagram, we drawn that the ray which is going through the focus, but here we can't draw the ray which is going through the focus because the ray which is going through the focus is not directed to the lens. It's not going to meet the lens because it's going parallel to the lens. Right? Therefore, we have to select the next, but the basic ray diagram that we have. That is the ray which is going through the optical center. Right? The ray which is going through the optical center is going to move in this way. Right? Believe that these two rays are parallel to each other. Therefore, this cannot be but joined together. Right? Then if you want to find really the image, then you have to go to the infinity. Right? You have to go behind this until the infinity. Right? You can't find it. That is the meaning. Right? Then if someone asks you where this is going to meet, then you can say it will be meet in infinity. Right? Then the characters of the image. The first character, vertically inverted. The second character, right, size enlarged, because if it is meeting in the infinity, then the size of the image is going to be very, very enlarged. Right? The third part, the third character, where the image is going to be obtained, it will be obtained in the infinity. The fourth character, real or virtual, it will be real. But if you want to find that, if you want to really find that real image, then you have to go to the infinity. Right? That is the characters of the images. That's it. That is fifth ray diagram. Right, the sixth ray diagram. Right, when the object in between optical center and the focus. Right, F to F, F to F. The object is somewhere here. The ray which is going parallel to the principal axis is going to go. Okay, we move the focus here. Right, it's going to go inside through the focus. Right. The ray which is going through the optical center, it's going to move in this direction. Since these two are diverging, right, between each other, therefore you can't join this in this side, right? Then you have to join somewhere in this side. Right? If you connect, it's going to join somewhere here. Right? Therefore, by real rays you can't obtain the image in this situation. Right? Therefore, it's not a real image. Right? This is a virtual image. Right? Then if you want to really see this image, then you have to go to this side, keep your eye here, then through these rays you can see the image which is appeared like forming somewhere here. Right? The character of the image, it's upright. The second, what is the character? Size, enlarged. The third, where you are obtaining this, don't tell in between 2F and F. right? It will be obtained in the same side of the object. Same side of the object will be obtained, right, or will be taken in the same side of the object, right? The fourth character, real or virtual. This is an imagination that the image, the rays that we have drawn here, the real rays, has been joined somewhere here, right? That is going to be an imagination, therefore that is a virtual image. That is a virtual image, and that is virtual. Okay, that's it. Okay, another thing. Then here, if you want to look at this image, then you have to keep the lens in front of the object, and you have to see something like this. You have to see like this. Then only you can see the image, right? Now the same concept has been used in the simple microscope, right? Simple microscope means the hand lens, right? By keeping your hand lens in your hand, and you are looking at the object which is in the next side, the opposite side, right, which was very small, right, has been seen as enlarged object, right? That enlarged part is not the object, that is the image, right? That is this image. Therefore this object is not going to be seen through this lens. You are going to see the enlarged image of this object, because after the refraction only the rays are coming to our eye, not directly. Therefore this is not going to be seen. Okay students, right? This is the simple microscope. The ray diagram, if someone asks you to draw the ray diagram of the simple microscope, then this is the ray diagram of the simple microscope. Okay, that's it. That is the chapter 5, geometrical optics, right? Then we have completed chapter 5. In the future, inshallah, in next videos we are going to start our 9th chapter, thermal physics, right? Heat. Inshallah, we'll see that. I think 8 or 9. I'm not sure about right? It's coming in your second term, right? Sorry, 9th chapter. Okay, thermal physics or heat, right? We'll see in the next class, inshallah. Right? Barakallahu fikum. Jazakumullah.